farm work program earns money for Jamaica. Net money, US money. There are many more Jamaicans who are hoping to achieve the same benefits by participating in this very valuable program. In order for the program to fulfill the expectations of so many Jamaicans, we have to craft a strategy to reform and expand the program. In the United States, Jamaicans accounted for 2% of the 258,000 seasonal agricultural H-2A visa issued last year. There's a massive room for growth. So what we need to do in order to accelerate the growth of the program is we need to employ more liaison officers. And we are now in the process of engaging 3 new liaison officers to go out and go into the areas where the farmers are, and to meet with the farmers and literally to encourage them to use the services of the Jamaican farmers. But one of the impediments is the time it takes from application to taking the trip. It's very frustrating and discourages the whole program. And one of the things that is discouraging is the fact that a provision is in it whereby you have to pay a fee. The fee now, I think, is 30,000 now, but it's expected to increase to 50,000. So when you get when one of your workers give a call, you get a call and say, come in tomorrow because time is of the essence. They come in and fill out the application, and then it is transferred to the U.S. Embassy. If you don't have that 30 and now going to be 50, you can't get nowhere. So what we did on the weekend is we met with the managers of these large farms, and we said to them, it is too much of a strain for the workers. They can't afford it, most of them. It is delaying the program, so I'm going to make you a business deal. We will shorten the time it takes from your request to the delivery of the worker to the airport if you pay it up front for them. And they accepted the idea of it, and they are doing an in-house assessment, but the results seem very favorable, that they will advance. So we will not need to ask the Jamaican workers, and then he deducts it from the employer. I have a responsibility for issuing work permits, and we issued 5,279 work permits last year, applications. We are going to be examining them far more carefully. We're going to be more discriminating, and we're going to send out teams to ensure that when we say to them, have you tried to find a Jamaican to fill the job for which we gave you a permit last year? If we don't find that to be in the affirmative, then they will not get another permit. We are literally going to twist their arm to make sure that Jamaica is not a destination or a jumping off point to anywhere else, to be facilitated for those persons who want to come here and use us. So we are going to insist that as long as there's a Jamaican available and can be identified for a job that they are going to request a permit, that is the preference for those Jamaicans. The system that is going to be introduced is going to cost us just under $900,000 US to implement. But it will, with laser-like accuracy, give us an opportunity to make an intelligent decision when it comes to issuing one of the most valuable pieces of paper anybody from abroad wanting to come here can ever have.